This initial stage has totally changed my life, and I would recommend everyone at least to see what it is. And I guarantee you, this will be a life changing. I can guarantee you, in today's world, I've done many courses before, but nothing can compare them. So I would request everyone just to give a try and join ShubhVardan. Hi, this is Anupama from Pune, Maharashtra. I'm into investments. People who want to invest in my company, basically they connect with me and I help them to grow their money. I have joined ShubhVardan I think 20 days back. This 20 days journey is totally life transforming, and whatever I have learned till date is uncomparable. So many new things I've learned. They teach you how to upgrade yourself, how to tackle today's market. World is changing so fast. How you need to groom along with this world. So many new technologies are coming, and they make you capable to earn, not only to earn money, but to grow as a human altogether. How to connect the human to human connection, how to recognize ourselves, how to go within, and to recognize your own power, to acknowledge your strength. This is the main thing which I've learned so far from them, and many things to learn more. But in this initial stage has totally changed my life, and I would recommend everyone at least to see what it is. And I guarantee you, this will be a life changing session. And their daughter, their son are so knowledgeable. Whatever they teach, that is, it makes you think, after the session also, ki, my God, this is what is happening, and where are we? So we need to gear up to compete this world. And not only for earning money, many more aspects in life, like how to take care of your community, when you're how to recognize your core. And when you are your original now, then only you can connect with everyone, and that is the real thing which everyone should know. And some realize it in an early stage, some take time, but definitely people will come to know what are they teaching. And I can guarantee you, in today's world, I've done many courses before, but nothing can compare them. So I would request everyone just to give a try and join ShubhVardan. Thank you.